see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi everyone, namaste. So finally I'm doing one brand makeup tutorial and the brand I chose for this video is Miss Claire. So I'm starting with clean face, and let me tell you, Miss Claire is available on Nykaa easily, so you can get your products from there. So I'm taking this palette, I'm taking this corally peach color first, and I'm just taking it on a blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply it to my outer corners, and I'll just sweep it into my crease lines, and I'm working on circular motions as you can see, and mainly concentrating on the corners and then going to my crease. Then I'm gonna take this gold color and I'm just gonna take it on a flat shader brush, and I'm just gonna pat it on to center of my lids, blending with the peach color I applied before. Then I'm gonna take this white color and I'm just gonna apply it to my inner corners, and I will also apply it to my brow bone area just to highlight my look. Now to intensify this look more, I'm gonna take the brown shade and I will be concentrating onto the outer corners of my eyes, and will be working in circular motions, and I will be taking this to the crease as well and blending it with that peachy corally color really nicely. So due to blending, lid color fades a little bit, so I'm just gonna reconcentrate the lid color again with a flat shader brush, and also I'm gonna do it with my finger as well, because you get more pigmentation with satiny colors if you apply it with your fingers as compared to brush. So I'm just gonna do it with my fingers, tapping it really nicely, and also be doing my inner corner highlight again with my finger. Now I'm taking Miss Claire One Stroke Kajal, and I will be lining my lids with it. I won't be really neat with it. I'm just applying roughly, just like a wing liner. You can see I'm not at all neat because I will be smudging it later, but I am keeping the shape of a wing so that it's easier for me to smudge as a winged eyeliner, like a smudged wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and I'm just gonna start smudging the liner. Look at this, and this is what I wanted, a wing but a smudged liner. Now it's time for eyebrows. I'm taking the brown shade from the same palette and I'm just gonna fill my eyebrows with it, and yeah, I'm just gonna fill all these sparse spaces, and yeah, this is how I did my eyebrows. And now I will be just applying mascara. I'm using waterproof mascara by again Miss Claire, and giving nice good coats of mascara after curling them. Alright, it's time for face now. I'm using Miss Claire Prestige Cover Foundation in 03 Beige, and I'm just gonna do my under eye first, as I haven't corrected my under eye dark circle. I'm just gonna concentrating on my dark circles a little bit more with the foundation, and also gonna highlight with same, and then I'm just gonna take my pack 003 brush and I'm just gonna blend this foundation really nicely. So I'm gonna work hard. I don't know whether my under eye will look good with this foundation just. So as I was blending, I saw that my under eyes were looking a little bit ashy, so I'm just gonna go ahead with some more foundation, and I'm just gonna build the under eye area a little bit more because I was not happy with the coverage it gave to my under eye area. So I just went with some more foundation, and with my concealer brush I concentrated more onto my under eye area. And then I'm just gonna take the mascara again, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my lower lashes to give that oomph. Then I'm gonna take Miss Claire's Shape Your Face contouring palette in 02, and I'm just gonna set my under eye with the yellow powder, and then I'm gonna take the contour powder, and it was highly pigmented actually, so I'm just gonna apply it to my cheekbones and also my jaws. I was using all the products for the first time, so it was kind of first impression for me. So this palette was highly pigmented. I was super impressed. I also gonna contour my nose as well with the same brown shade. And then I'm gonna take the blush from the same palette, and I'm just gonna apply it right above the contour, and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. Now for the highlighter, I am using Miss Claire Illuminator Makeup Base in 01 Sunbeam. I'm just gonna apply it to highest points of my cheeks, and I'm gonna blend it really nicely with my fingers only, and I'm gonna apply to a bridge of my nose as well, even to my cupid's bow as well. It's time for the lips, and I am using a Miss Claire Matte and Pearly Gloss in 111. This was a highly pigmented gloss. I have never came across such a gloss which is so highly pigmented, and it looked beautiful. It was drop dead gorgeous red gloss. It looked really beautiful. And that completes my full face makeup using just one brand. And yeah, this is the final look.
Think I do when you're next to me. When you're next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe. And yeah, bye bye, take care, stay beautiful and stay healthy.
me.